In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make price list on Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded price list you can share online or print for your business. Let's dive right in and keep things simple and professional. First, head to canva.com and use the search bar to look for price list. This brings up a gallery of professionally designed templates, which is the fastest way to get a polished result. You can narrow your choices by style, size, or orientation so it fits where you plan to use it, like social media, email, or a flyer. Click a design that matches your vibe, and it will open in the editor. Once you're in, start customizing the text. Replace placeholder titles with your product or service names, add concise descriptions, and type in your prices. Keep names short, use consistent capitalization, and format prices the same way throughout. If you need more items, duplicate a text group so spacing and style stay uniform across the list. Clear hierarchy is key, make the item name slightly larger, the description smaller, and the price bold or clearly separated so it stands out. Now bring in your branding. Change the template colors to your brand palette using the color picker, and if you have exact hex codes, plug them in for accuracy. Swap fonts to match your brand voice, and stick to one or two font families for a cohesive look. Upload your logo from the Uploads panel, then drag it onto the canvas. Resize it so it complements the layout without overpowering the content, and place it in the header or footer for a polished finish. Be sure there's enough contrast so everything remains readable. Add visuals to elevate the design. Drag and drop your product photos into existing frames, or insert frames from the Elements tab and drop images inside. For services without photos, use simple icons from Elements that match your style. Keep the icon set consistent, and adjust image crop, brightness, or saturation so all visuals feel cohesive. Before you export, refine the layout. Use the alignment and position tools to center elements, evenly distribute spacing, and keep margins tidy. Make sure everything lines up, text isn't cramped, and prices are easy to scan. Give it a quick proofread to catch typos and confirm each price. When you're ready to share, click Download. For printing, choose PDF Print for crisp results. For digital use, select PNG or JPG. PNG is ideal for high-quality images online. Save your file, and you're done. Thanks for watching.